petang, I was feeling so high. Balik kerja, vibe pun on, tak payah nak try. Friday night chill, lepak mamak sampai pagi. Saturday morning tidur, mimpi pun belum habis lagi. Sekali buka mata, dah Sabtu petang. Perut lapar gila, terus cari nasi dagang. Plan nak workout konon, tapi endingnya Netflix. Time flies so fast, damn, what a crazy mix. Weekend cepat sangat, oh my god, please stop the clock. Baru nak relax, Monday dah mula nak. I need more time, give me another day or two. Sabtu sangat bad, macam 4-1 kat Sepang. Weekend datang sekejap dan terus melayang. Sunday morning vibes, tapi hati dah rasa berat. Fikir pasal meeting, bos pula jenis yang jerat. Nak pergi healing tapi jam kat Karak Highway. Less duduk rumah layan kopi and delay. Baju belum iron, email pun dah start masuk. Mu terus swing, rasa macam nak masuk peluk. Kenapa, oh kenapa, Monday benci KI. Weekend baru nak sweet, dah kena say goodbye. Check. 1 day for Friday, 2 days for the rest, 2 days for the rest. But those 2 days are always put to the test. I need a vacation, maybe a permanent stay. Dekat the fashion, maybe a permanent stay. Dekat tepi pantai, throwing all the stress away. But life is a cycle, pusing-pusing sampai pening. Esok pagi bangun, alarm clock start screaming. Weekend cepat sangat, oh my god, please stop the clock. Baru nak relax, Monday dah mula nak. I need more time, give me another day or two. Sabtu sangat bad, macam 4-1 kat Sepang. Weekend datang sekejap dan terus melayang.
Is it Monday yet? No, please. Just 5 more minutes. Weekend, please don't go.